Hello everyone, my name is Tor and welcome back to Anthropology. Thank you for joining me in today's video. If this is your first time, welcome. I hope you enjoy your stay. On this channel, I talk all about things fashion related, handbags, mindful consumption, the shopping vlog here and there. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, please consider liking this video, commenting, and subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, hello again. Thank you for coming back. So happy that you're here. In today's video, it's fairly exciting. I have an unboxing to do. So, excuse me, still recovering from a bit of a cold. I ordered something from Bulgari. Quick little story time. I've been wanting something from Bulgari for a while, a hot minute, ever since the Serpenti bags sort of made their claim, made their rise. I had my eyes on them, but I never really found one that really spoke to me enough where I would say, add a bag, pay, check out, until this one. So recently, if you've seen my travel vlog, will be down below, I did some traveling, I saw some Bulgari at duty free. It really piqued my interest in the brand again. So then when I came back to Canada, I was looking and I had always wanted a so black bag. So little spoiler, I've always wanted something so black, meaning that the body of the bag is black as well as the accompanying hardware. So everything on the bag is black. I've always wanted one, never really found one that A, was in my price range, B, met the criteria, and C, was just like available to me until I saw this one. So I saw it on the website randomly, called the Bulgari store in Vancouver asking if they had it. They said no, but I did get in contact with a salesperson there. She was basically going back and forth with me. She messaged her team in Italy to see if they could ship one out. They couldn't, but then it just randomly came in stock on the website. So, so when it came in stock on the website, I immediately just said like add to cart, blah, 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 check out. I really had no idea if the bag was even going to come because I was told that the bag had completely sold out in North America and there was no planned production. But it actually did arrive, so here we are. I've never seen this bag in person. I have no idea what this bag looks like, the dimensions, what it feels like, anything. So this will be a very true unboxing. So if you're interested, please keep watching. So it came in this big box. I ordered it on, when did I order it? I think I ordered it last Thursday or last Friday, and it arrived today, which is Wednesday. It was supposed to originally arrive yesterday, but whatever. So I've never purchased from Bulgari in store or ordered online. This is my very first experience sort of with them. So let's see. Bulgari Rome. Oh my god. The packaging for this is beautiful. Oh my god, look at this. What is this? This is, I honestly, when you see what I ordered, I truly was not expecting all this. Okay, so here's a little up close of the box itself. My god, look at this. This is just beautiful. It's got all these like intricate cutouts. And it says Bulgari. Okay. Wow. Oh my god, I'm so impressed. When I ordered from Celine online, they literally, it was not it. Oh my god. Wow, I'm like truly impressed with all this, you guys. Oh my god, this is stunning. Okay, you guys, let's get into it. Okay, beautiful. So this is just a tag. What does it say? Bulgari Serpenti Forever Accessories. SLG matte calf black darker than you. Oh my god. Something there. Bulgari Touch. Download the app. Oh, there's like a lot in here. OM motherfucking G. Are you ready? Okay. Look at this. So this is my new mini bag. It is the... Oh my god. Wow, I am so impressed, you guys. I literally can't even take it. Bulgari has really stolen my heart. Okay, so this is the bag. Oh my god, are you kidding? Look how cute this is. It's matte black calf leather with black, I think this is brass ruthenium hardware, and then red enamel eyes. This looks like that, has Bulgari on the back, and this is a pocket. And then if you open it, this looks like that. There's one pocket here, another pocket back there, and it looks like you can fit a decent amount in there, honestly. And then it just has these two straps for a shoulder strap is right here. So, oh my god, there's so much like felt. I'm shocked. This is amazing. So it just looks like that. So this is just an unboxing. This bag can be worn crossbody. I am literally so amazed, you guys. And just wait until I tell you how much this costs. So this bag retails for $7.70 Canadian, and it comes with all of this stuff. And it's so cute. There's even like, I don't know if you can see, there's like a space and little teeth in the mouth. I'm literally shocked. This is the cutest little thing I've ever seen in my life. So I'll do a full walkthrough on this bag later, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing. So let me know what you think of this bag. Let me know what you think of Bulgari. Let me know what you think of mini bags. This is giving very TBE, Cassie Thorpe approved tiny bag energy. I'm so happy that I came. I'm so happy that I got it. And I love the price that I paid for it. So it was around $880 after tax, which, you know, that's a lot for like a tiny little bag, but oh my god, it's so cute. So cute. Okay, that's my video. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. Bye, guys.